Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add the mount animation to this when the player is start mounting the horse like this. So if you didn't watch my previous videos about horse controller and how to create the rider interactions, please check my previous videos. I will add a card for those videos. And if you are new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to join with my channel. So let's start today's lesson. So my current system is like this. The player can mount the horse and unmount. For now I will disable the this player leg IK because it affects this system. This ABP menu is the parent class, so I will disable this controller for now. So we can see these legs are working fine now. Yeah. Now let's find some animation for this mount and unmount for the player. So in the source and insert pro, let's find some rider animations. Let's find some mount. Rider mount left. This is okay, and this is okay for right side. So I have to retarget these animations also. So I will open another content browser. So let's find this retargeter for RTG UE4 many to UE5 many. So let's find these mount animations. The animations I have chosen is rider mount left V2. Let's find. So these two are what I need. Let's export these to this rider animes folder. So yeah. I will enable root motion for this animation, so it will move the capsule with the animation in this animation also. So these animations are working fine for the mounting animation. So let's create this animation mounting function. So first let's create some points to mount from left to right. So I will add scene components for mount left and mount right scene. Yeah, rider mount left block, and another one is rider mount right block. We don't need to parent this. Those should be parent to the mesh, this host mesh. So this rider mount right lock should be placed right to the horse. So I will get this like here, and rider mount left, right, no, like here. Let's see. Yeah, and for the testing purpose I will add a arrow, and let's make this 0. So I don't need this kind of length, so I will make this 40, and let's untick this. So yeah, right amount right location is this, and right amount left. Let's add the arrow mark for this also. And we need to rotate this towards the host, this scene component, and make this as 40. So let's see, we can see this or not. Yeah, we can see both places. So yeah, let's make the calculations. Yeah, okay, let's divide this function we have created in previous video. And here, before we do that, we have to find which way the player is nearest location with the players, or whether it is right or left. So we have to create a function to find out player should go to the left location or right location. So let's find this, create this function, find mount lock. So we have this rider. Let's check it's valid or not. If it is valid, we need to get the length from the rider to the this mount location. So first we get actor location and rider right mount location, or location, right mount left location, get right location. So after dividing this, we can get the vector length from rider to right mount location and from rider to left mount location. So subtract them. Let's get the vector length. If this vector length is less than here, the player nearest location is to rider mount right location, and if this is not less than this, the rider's nearest location is this mount left location. So let's return this. Let's add the branch for this. Yeah, and return node. We need to add is right. If the player is near to right location, we need to make this as right, and we need to output the location where the player should go and the rotation. So if the player is near to right location, we should return this rider mount right locations, location and rotation. Get world location and get world rotation. And if the player's nearest location is left mount location, we need return this location and rotation. Yeah, now let's divide this function from here. We will connect after creating these functions. Let's find this, and after finding this we need to move the rider's capsule to the nearest location. So get the capsule, move component to, we need to move this to this location and this rotation. Overtime should be 1. Let's check the player is moving or not. No, there is a issue. We need to add this add these capsules half height to this. Yeah, it's working now. And let's check other side also. Yeah, we can go now. Let's disable this is riding for now. Yeah, he can move now. Then now let's play this animations to get up or mount. To do that, let's get this rider and get the mesh, and then at the node of I can't remember, it's like montage, play montage, and select the montage according to the nearest location. If this is right, we have these animations and we have to create any montage from them. I will name this as AM mount right and this as AM mount left. Let's assign them. Let's see this is working or not. Yeah, it's working now, but it's there is a movement, so we need to stop this movement. To do that, let's get the character movement from the rider, and then stop movement immediately. Let's check. Yeah, now it's working. Let's try the other side also. Yeah, fine. Now uh, let's check the connect them to see. Working now, and let's, yeah, now uh, mm, let's get the rider camera. There is no function to return the camera, so we have to create a function to return this camera location and rotation. Okay. Let's implement this function in BP Pay Controller interface. It's output as rock and what. We need to return this follow camera's location and rotation. Uh, so after getting this rider's camera uh, location, we can set the host camera location and rotation as this, um, like this. Let's check this is working or not. It's not working. Yeah, I found the issue. The issue is the host mesh is blocking the camera, so I make the collision preset of the host mesh to custom and set this visibility and camera as ignore, so it it returns this location and rotation. And let's make the, let's check. Now it's working fine. Now attach them. Now after processing, we should move the camera to its zero location. So let's move component to S0. Let's add 0.5 overtime. Let's see if it is working or not. Yeah, it's working now, but these right mount right location and left location not matching with the rider location. So let's, yeah, rider location is here, so we have to match these mounting locations with this. So let's rider locations 35. No, rider location is here. We need to match this. '59 location and make the right mount location as also 59. So let's check. Yeah, now it's working. Let's reduce this overtime as 0.4 something. Yeah, now we need to call this function, but we need to call them after moving the rider to the its location, and like here. So we need to create a function from this BPI player controller to enable this ease riding. So let's go to this interface and create a function as set riding. Let's take input as riding. So set riding, and let's move this here, and let's call this function from the moment the player is starting mounting animation. So let's get this rider and set mount, set, what is set riding. Let's see that's working or not. Yeah, it's working fine. So that's it for today video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please use the comment box, and I will make the dismount animation when the rider is dismounting in the next video. So I'm going to stop the video for today. Have a nice day. Thank you all.